Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. We'll do a video walkthrough of our new 2024 Mastercraft NXT21. So 21-foot NXT, and this is new for 2024. We did the cool feel black and white interior up here, up on the bow here. Nice wide bow though for a 21-foot boat. Easily could sit 3 people up here. Got the cliff speakers up. Got the Decadence flooring. Got the nice walk-through door. Coming to the cockpit area here. Got the nice behind reverse jump seat. Cliff speakers, storage under all the seats. Got the nice huge sun pad. Like I said, pop-up ski tow bar. Phone holders on both sides. Got the built-in cooler now. And then new for 2024 on the dash. Super cool this year for the NXT. You got the cool charging phone holder, but now we do have the touch screen. So you can control all your surfing, wakeboarding, ski modes, everything from the touch screen. So that's new for 2024 in the NXT. All new dash configuration. So very cool, very excited about this. So very intuitive, very easy to run. Now the NXTs have a touch screen and bigger tower speakers. So now we have the 8.0 tower speakers instead of the 7s. So a little louder sound. Look good on there with the new black casing. Really awesome. So come and check this boat out. It's brand new 2024, the new NXT. On the outside, we did the white with the gold metal flake. It looks really good. Awesome boat, guys. Come and check it out. Exciting for this new boat. So great surf wave on the NXTs. Got the 6-liter motor, and now with the touchscreen, this boat's just unbelievable home run. So it'll be online at MarineMaxGreenville.com. It's actually sitting in our showroom right now. So out of the hot heat, come and check it out at the Greenville store. Give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thanks.